Good morning students. In the previous video I have already discussed what is data files. Okay, files are of two types, binary and CSV and all that were discussed in the previous video. Today we will learn about the syntax. Okay, first of all, I am going as per the syllabus. In the next bullet of the syllabus there is text files. So today under the text files, what are present in the syllabus I will be discussing under the bullet text file. So first of all you need to know how to create a file. Alright, then after creating, what you will do, you will open that file को पहले create करना है. After that you will open that file. After opening that file you want to either write, if it is an existing file, if it is a new file, then you will be writing on it. If it is an existing file you can read that file or you can overwrite that file. Alright, first created, open. So someone else has created, someone else has stored data in it. Alright, now you are opening it after few days. So what you can do, you can either read that file or you can either overwrite that file. Okay, or you can append that file. Append, APPEND. Append मतलब जहाँ पे वो खत्म हुआ था उसके बाद से कंटिन्यू करेंगे. उसके बाद से you will get the scope to continue to add your content to that file, particular file. Then what comes, if the file is of no more use, you should have the privilege to delete it also. Python has provided us the features to delete, and if delete is not required, then at the last of all your works are done, all your works are completed, open कर लिया, read write कर लिया, उससे print out निकाल लिया जो चाहिए था. After that what you will do, it is desired that you close your file. Okay, it is a standard SOPs. Okay, so that you close the file. So there is particular syntax to how to create a file. Variable create में क्या था, variable creation में x equals to 5 था, integer value no quotes, if it is a character value then inside quote, that was there. So here this part, in the previous one, this data structure, it was called as recall, this was called as variable. Now in the case of files we will be calling it as file object. We will be naming this as file object. File object. File object equals to what? File object equals to open, file name and mode, access mode. In which mode you want to open it, either in write mode or read mode. अगर read करने के लिए सिर्फ you want to open that particular file, then R. Alright, if you want to write on it, W, append A, like that. So here this is the syntax. So this is the syntax for opening the file. File object should be there. File object में place करेंगे open. Okay, one more thing. In the previous video, previously, I have told you about maths library functions. Okay, in maths library functions, what you have done, you have imported the math header file. Math header file import करने के बाद we have used the already existing inbuilt functions जैसे कि exponent, power, GCD, floor, ceiling. Go to the previous videos and you can check it out there. Alright, floor, ceiling directly use कर दिया था functions को, क्योंकि import किया था हम लोगों ने header file maths, और maths header file के अंदर वो सब inbuilt functions रहता था. यहाँ पे open is again a function, but ये open function use करने के लिए you need not have to import anything. For that maths function GCD, floor, ceiling, alright, mod, exponent, power, for using those inbuilt functions we had to import math header file, but here we did not have to import anything. यहाँ पे कुछ header file को import करना नहीं है, directly open function को हम लोग use कर सकते हैं. Alright, so this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Syntax for what? Syntax for opening the file. So now we'll be knowing about the other syntax. Okay students, see now. So this is the syntax. First of all, if you want to create a file, so before opening, एकदम नया सिस्टम है, नया कंप्यूटर लाया है, आपने नया पाइथन इंस्टॉल किया है. Now what you want to create the file first, create the text file first. All right, what we are discussing the text files. So what you are doing, you are creating the text file. For creating the text file, what is the syntax? For creating, this is the syntax. f equal, this is what? File object. Open function है, कुछ import करना नहीं पड़ा, directly open function को use कर लिया. Open, this is the syntax. So first what will be there in the double quote, file name dot text. As it is a text file, so extension is dot text, txt. So file name डालना है और x. For creating, you have to put x here. You are first creating the file. All right. Then what you will be putting? You will be putting x here. So after the file has been created, so किसी ने create कर लिया, डाटा वाटा स्टोर कर लिया. डाटा कैसे स्टोर करेंगे, that I will discuss now. स्टोर कर लिया. Now what you want to read it. So you want to read it. So what you will write? सिर्फ x के जगह बदल जाएगा, x के जगह आ जाएगा r. Existing file is there, data is stored in the existing file. Someone has previously done that. Now you just want to open that file and you want to read it. Read करने के लिए इस syntax से खोलना होगा. जो फाइल को खोलना चाहते हैं, फाइल का नाम डालिए R. This is the SS mode. ACCESS. SS mode you have to tell to the system before opening. So I want to just read the file. तो R देने से चल जाएगा. So this is how you will open it. Okay, opening. Next comes about writing. You have opened an existing file. Syntax may be asked, questions may be asked. Write the syntax for overwriting an existing file. Write, overwrite. Alright. So open तो हो गया, create कर लिया x से, फिर open कर लिया. Open करने के लिए मोड देना होगा. कौन सा मोड में open करना चाहता है? Read मोड में open हो गया. Open एक सिर्फ open के लिए अलग नहीं है. Open and read मोड एक साथ, एक syntax. अभी write मोड के लिए open या write या overwrite मोड के लिए. तो क्या करना है? सिर्फ यहाँ पे w दे देना है. You need to include w here. That much. That is for writing. If it's append, if you want to append an existing file, then a. You have to include a here. After in write mode, write SS mode, you have opened it. Now f dot write. Whatever message you want to write, write the message here. Save the information here, save the data what you want to save in the text file. That message you include in f dot write that message. This is how write works. Alright. Next comes delete and close. Next comes delete and close. So close का syntax भी easy है, इतना tough कुछ नहीं है. f dot close. f dot close. So f dot close और वहाँ पे आप फाइल नेम इनपुट कर दीजिए, कौन सा फाइल को क्लोज करना चाहते हैं. एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल ही है, सिर्फ f dot close देने से भी चल जाएगा. It will work. Alright. So lastly comes delete. For deleting, you need to import some header files. Delete operations cannot be performed on its own. For that, you need to import. Okay. तो यहाँ पे header नहीं बोलते हैं, इससे बोलते हैं module. डिलीट के लिए क्या इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा? You have to import some module. Right? So last is delete. So as I just told, for deleting you need to import some header file. यहाँ पे header नहीं बोलते, module बोलते हैं उसे. Similar to header. So what is the module? Import OS. Import OS. If it's not clear to you, I am writing it again. Import. What you will import? You will import OS. OS dot remove file name. कौन सा वाला फाइल को आप डिलीट करना चाहते हैं? परमानेंटली डिलीट करना चाहते हैं. Syntax for permanent deletion. Import OS. OS dot remove file name. And this is the extension text file. So dot txt. So with this, the basics of text files is covered in this video. This bullet of the syllabus is entirely completed. Thank you for watching.